Hello everyone. Today my video's topic will be how to learn English spoken for beginners. So let's begin. First of all, we will have to know that English is just a language like Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, etc. English is just a language. We will have to take it just as simple as you can, so that you will be able to understand English. Otherwise, if you are taking it not as an easy, then it will be difficult for you to learn. So please take it an easy. So let's begin. I am going to talk about what are the ways which you can follow to become a fluent speaker. So I'm going to give a five tips, just five tips, and these are very simple tips which you can follow to become a very fluent public speaker along with that English speaker. Tips number one: understand the English. First of all, if you want to begin to learn English spoken, then before that you will have to know what is English. Do you understand English really? If yes, then look forward my tips. So number one, understand the English. Number two, read English stories as much as it is possible. If you will read English stories, then it will interpret and shape your mind, and also direct your mind to understand the English. And along with that, you will be able to understand the English properly along with stories. And if you are understanding the stories, then it will be very good. And if not, then keep listening the stories, and gradually you will be able to learn that very properly. And number three is keep imagining and thinking in English. Whatever around you, whether it is a tree, bags, books, laptop, even pencil, everything you will have to imagine and think in English. This is the one of the most important tips which I am going to provide you. So start to think in English before you learn English spoken. And number four is watch English movies. English movies, stories, or you can say OTT platforms or newspapers. If not newspapers, then start to listen English news channels like First Sport, and there are so many channels like First Sport. So start watching news. It will improve your vocabulary along with that awareness about the further English, advanced English, which will required for your uh, advanced English, obviously. And my last and most important tips is keep discussing with your friends. Chat with your friends, discuss with your friends in English. Find some group of people, some group of friends which respect your English and which also respects you while you speak, and they also supports and assist you in learning the spoken. And you also teach them and they will teach you. Thus, this will be the most effective method to learn English, which I have also tried, and today I am teaching you how to learn English. These were the all important tips that you can follow to learn a very good English spoken. Thank you so much.